our nice long spaghetti, and now we're gonna hang it. Hey everyone, it's Michael. Today I'm gonna give you my review on the KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set. I've had this for probably 10 years. I'm gonna show you how we make our pasta, and then when we're done, we use the stand to dry it. So let's get started. First, you're gonna use the roller. It's the only one that does not have those serrated edges. You're gonna put it right in your KitchenAid. Okay, so I already made the dough. You wanna get it to about 1/4 of an inch. So the first setting we're gonna do is 1. You'll see that that's the widest setting. Turn your KitchenAid mixer on at 2 or 3. Gonna wanna put it through a few times. We're gonna fold it. I'm gonna move this to 2, put it through a few more times. Fold it again, put it down to a 3. We're gonna put in the small attachment for spaghetti. Put it on 2. Oh yeah, got our nice long spaghetti, and now we're gonna hang it, let it dry. Works just like that. All right, we're gonna do fettuccine now. That's the wider attachment. I'm doing this all with one hand. Not too difficult. Okay, let's put it on setting 2. Do some fettuccine. Done. There's the fettuccine. Add it to the rack. Dry it. So we have our homemade pasta on the rack. We used our KitchenAid mixer and the 3-piece roller and cutter. So very easy to use. You don't want to submerge these in water. You want to let the pieces of pasta just dry, and then you can wipe them off or dust them off with the brush. And you're set to go. So I hope this helps. Enjoy.